everyone, welcome back to Faith and Flower. This is Robin, and today I have a speed cleaning video for you guys, and as usual I'm starting in the master bedroom with making my bed to set myself up for a productive day. I've already showered, gotten ready, and had breakfast, and after my bed is made, I'm ready to sit down and do my quiet time. And if you guys are curious about what I'm reading in my quiet time, I will link my quiet time video from the summer above because I'm still doing some of the same things. I will also link my Bible study resources under Bible Study Essentials in the description box below if you guys are interested in checking those out on Amazon. I really love this unhurried, uninterrupted, quiet time, spending time in God's Word and prayer each day. It really helps to set me up to be the person that I know God intended me to be for my day, to serve my family and those around me. I want to encourage you to find a little quiet corner in your home and a little bit of time each day to spend in God's Word and in prayer. I promise you it will make all the difference. Now I'm ready to head in the kitchen and start getting some things done. So I've left several things out on the counter from dinner last night to dry, and so I'm just going to start by putting all of those things away. Next, it's time to empty the dishwasher. And I love when I can run a load after dinner at nighttime. That doesn't always happen because I always wait until my dishwasher's full before I run it. But I do understand why people like running their dishwasher on a schedule because it's nice to get this done first thing in the morning. Now I'm just going to load up the dishwasher with our breakfast dishes. When the sink is empty, I like to give it a light cleaning, and I'm just using some of my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the pumpkin scent. The island countertop after breakfast, I'm using my Method Daily Granite Cleaner and a damp Norwex cloth. Get some dusting done, and I'm starting in our dining room. This cabinetry is sort of in the hallway, but it is part of the dining room, and I'm just going to go around and dust all of the cabinets and the countertop. So I'm using my Norwex Enviro wand, and you'll probably also see me use my Norwex dust mitts, and I'll have links for those things below in the description box. Well, I've been busy cleaning downstairs. My son's been cleaning upstairs, and he's coming down the stairs with the vacuum, and as soon as he's finished, he'll hand it off to me and I can get started down here. Usually when you see me vacuuming in my videos, I'll be using my Miele canister vac, which is my favorite. I don't think anything beats that vacuum. But we do have a central vacuum in our house, and my son uses it every week when he does the vacuuming upstairs. And occasionally, like today, when I'm in a hurry and I'm speed cleaning, I will use it too. When I'm in a hurry, I feel like I can vacuum a little faster with the central vacuum. It's very easy because I can just plug the hose right into the port that is in the wall, and we have them all over the house so that every room can be accessed, and I don't have the canister to worry about. We also have this rug attachment, and this vacuum works really well. I just really prefer my Miele because it's been a favorite of mine for a long time, but I probably need to get this one out and use it a little more. I know you guys will probably have questions about it. It's made by Beam, which is owned by Electrolux, and the collection bin is in the garage, so I just have to empty it, honestly, about every 3 or 4 months. It takes a long time for it to fill up. It's really convenient. I think they pretty much need to be installed when your house is built because the hose is contained inside the walls. And this is the first time that we've owned a home where there is a central vacuum. My mom has had one in her home, and I'm not sure she's a real big fan, but it takes a little bit of getting used to, and this one seems to be really well. It has great suction, and honestly, I really should use it more often. Now I'm taking the vacuum hose and running it along underneath our coffee table. There's a little gap under there, and as I was sitting watching TV the night before, I noticed that several things were under there that were missed by my vacuum or else by the Roomba because of the gap there. And after I finished with the hardwoods in the living room, I just put the rug attachment on the vacuum and do all of the area rugs. I want to apologize for the lighting in this video. It's a little bit dark, but this was a really stormy, rainy day, which was perfect for cleaning, just not so perfect for filming. I find it really motivating when I'm cleaning to have a nice scent in the kitchen area or wherever it is that I'm cleaning, and I usually use a candle, but today I'm using wax melts, and I picked both of these up at the grocery store. One is juicy apple and the other is cinnamon bun, and I combine the two and it smells just like I'm baking apple strudel or apple pie with a lot of cinnamon and spice. It smells so good in here. I'm curious to know which scents for fall you guys are enjoying right now, and if you have a favorite, please let me know in the description box below. Now back to vacuuming. So I'm doing our dining room, which is also right next to the garage entry, and this is a real high traffic area for us, so I always make sure to hit this when I'm speed cleaning. If you're wondering why there's always one chair missing in the dining room, it's because they are bar height stools, and so they're the perfect height for the countertop in our pantry where I have my little office, and that's where I'll sit and do any computer work and editing for my channel. This table was originally in our kitchen, and the table that's in there now was in the dining room, and so we swapped those out. I like that arrangement because the kitchen table seats more people, and that's where we usually like to hang out when we have friends or family over. Now our dining room is more like a game room because this table is really perfect for playing board games. Starting in the laundry room, I'm mopping all of the tile, and I'm using my Norwex mopping system with the tile mop pad, and it's made of microfiber, so all I need to do is use water. I love this mop. It's perfect for speed cleaning because it gets the job done fast, but it also does a really thorough job. When I finish mopping, I'm finished cleaning for the day. So thank you guys so much for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and come back for more videos. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you'll know whenever I post a new one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.